Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap Springfield local and long-distance movers near me. Plenty of options come with your long-distance move, including packing and unpacking services, moving supplies, an on-time move, and upfront pricing. Relocating doesn't have to be so difficult. We offer complete long-distance moving services to make it easier for you. Our team can help you move one state away or all the way across the country with ease. Avoid all the heavy lifting of a local move with a Kentucky moving company. No more finding a friend or family member to help you lift the heavy furniture. You can even hire your movers to do the packing and the unpacking if you want. 3 Movers does it all for your local move. We know how to make your move happen faster and easier. With our help, a 3-day move for you turns into a 1-afternoon move for us. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Springfield moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.